They have some nice color for the Vision GT, some Porsche, some Ferrari. And we're back at it again. There are too many here at Costco Warden. So if you guys want to check it out. This is the third Costco haul. My third Costco haul video for this year. So suddenly someone posted again in our group that there's a stock Maisto cars at Warden and Ellesmere Costco, so I go right away to see what they have for stock. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. They have some here, some new colors. This one no racing stripe. This one is the new Vision GT. Some Bronco. This one I like. Some Ferraris. Yeah. And Jeep. I was thinking about getting this one, but let me see. Some cyan, red cyan. I have this one in blue. I have two of these. This one I take. This one. Maybe I'm gonna grab this one. Let me see. So this is what I'm taking. It's a Jeep Rubicon. But I don't think so. I'm just gonna keep it here. So I guess you're gonna see again another video of my Costco haul. I have 5 cars here. We're gonna start unboxing each one of them. So let's start with the Ferrari. Let's put down everything first. So as you can see, this is Ferrari 488 GTB. I already have these in 1:24 scale, but I figured it's fun to have it on 1:18 scale, so why not? Let's open it. So as you can see here, it's a 488 GTB with a red color. Nice. Let's remove it from the base. So they released this couple years ago, and we're not expecting these cars to be here in Canada, as this was released in US Costco's, but later last year, before the year ends, some Costco, which I'm not expecting, they have these cars. They have Maisto cars released. They stock it, so they restock it. So one of the guys in the group says like, "Oh guys, come to this Costco. They have a full fresh skid." So I told my wife, let's go there. Let's see what they have. And voila, I got 5. This year was the most number of Costco Maisto I have. I think I bought 10, I guess. You just count the video from part 1 to part 3, then you'll know how much I bought. So yeah, let's take a look. So it's a red Ferrari 488 GTB. As you can see, very nice color with very nice wheels with a black interior. Nice. So this is based on a 458 Italia, I can say. It's like just the upgraded version, more horsepower, they say. So why not? Let's see if the trunk's open. Yep, that's it. Is it? Huh. How about the front? Let's see if the front's open. Careful. Yeah. Empty bonnet. Nice. So there it goes. Ferrari 458 GTV. The next one will be this one right here. This is a Porsche, classic Porsche, I must say. 550A Spyder. This will be nice alongside with the Ferrari SB1 that I had before. It's a classic. Very nice, actually. Yep, it's right here. So you guys can see the details. Yep, very nice. Right? Huh. Look at that. Porsche. I don't know why always the classic car in silver is so nice. It's like nothing can go wrong if it is silver. Like, you know what I mean? It's like DB5, Aston Martin DB5, like on gray, same color as this. Well, looks like a James Bond car. I don't know, maybe it's just only me, or if you're like that too. Very dangerous. So here you are. Let's switch again to the zoom mode. As you can see, the interior, guys, it's so nice. Yeah, see the details right there? Awesome. Oh, that was like leather stuff right there. It looks like textured. See, it appears to be like real leather. Interesting. Again, the doors. Yep. Nice. Wow. I figured this is how they open the... Yes. Whoa. See the details on this one? What? Really? So that's the engine. Spare tires. Bag of tools, I guess. Working suspension. This must be an older casting. Yeah. There's a battery too. It says Bosch. Is that a battery? Oh no, it's not a battery. Sorry. So maybe I guess fuel goes here. It's nice. Nice details. So that's the car. It's a Porsche 550A Spyder. Very nice. Let's see the bottom. Just like that. Nice. So 2 down. We also have a modern Porsche. It's a Porsche 911 GT3 RS 4.0 in green. Green. Oh, it's a nice color though. I have a green RWB there, sitting there. Yep. I don't know, like all the stock that they have, this one right here is on like upwards. I don't know why, but you're gonna see why it looks like that. So as you can see, RS 4.0. So Nice. The wheels. The back has a number plate. We're gonna change that number plate and the engine. Why is it a little like that? So let me see if I can close this one, because I don't know. Oh, there you are. It can be closed. So let's take a look in the inside. The inside is like that. Yeah. GT RS 4 has a roll cage inside, I believe. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, right there. Bucket seats, roll cage, because these are meant to, it's a road legal, but it's meant to drive on the track. So yeah, RS4 step decals right there. See the bottom. Yeah, it's made by Bronco. So this one is for Bronco, but boxed by Maisto. That's why I know it's a nice casting. Porsche library there. Yep. So this one is Porsche 911 GT3. GT3 or GT2? It's a Ford Mustang 2020 Shelby GT500. This one has, I thought it was the same as the one with the racing stripes, but this one is completely different one, because I'm gonna show you guys why. So the difference is, okay, let's remove everything first before I tell you guys, because these straps are, I don't know if you guys seeing the car, maybe you noticed already which one I'm telling is the different parts that this Mustang GT500 have. So let me know in the comments if you saw it. So here it is. First, the racing stripe is gone. As you can see, racing stripe is gone, and the wheels are different. The wheels are different. Also, the rear spoiler is different. The rear wing is different. And let me grab the Ford Mustang, the blue one, and I'll show you the difference. So here's the other one. Technically the color is different. So you can see the front is basically the same, just this one, oh no, it's identical, and the wheels are completely different, and the racing stripe is gone. And in the back, so you can see, the rear wing is different too. But the diffuser is same, taillight same, front fascia is same, only those details are different. So as I mentioned, that blue Shelby GT500 will be changed to lime green, more greener than this one, but let's see how it goes. Because right now it's winter, I cannot paint anything, it's too cold. So yeah, let's stick on unboxing for now and reviews. So let's open it. Yeah, 5.0, I guess, I don't know. Oh, it's a Shelby engine. So inside is just a plain black Yeah. The other side is just plain black too. Yeah, but it has a good view here. There you are. The trunk. Trunk is just empty space. So the details of the wheels is this, and the front. Nice. And the back. Yep. 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500. A Ford Bronco. Yay! You can see this is a new casting. It doesn't have a base. It's just a paper base. They put the sticker there. I say, what happened, Maisto? You're cost cutting now. Don't include the base now. Ford Bronco. Ford Bronco. This is the two-door Bronco, actually. This is not the... There are 4 doors, there are 2 doors Bronco. So this one is this. Yeah. It's a Wild Track edition. Yes. That's why it's only 2 doors. So let's see the inside. The inside is just... yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it says they're Bronco. The back, the other side is like that. Let's see the front. I don't know if this one is open. Let me see. Oh yes! There you are. The engine has a nice. So the doors open all the way, only until there. No. Yeah. Why is it loose? Can be removed. Okay, so this is Ford Bronco Wild Track Edition in dark bluish with glittery, I don't know what they call that, but it's a nice color. That goes with a Badland Edition red one. Yeah, Bronco. Nice color. So that's it for these Costco haul 2021. That completes the 3-part episode of these Costco haul, and I hope you guys enjoy, and you will see more of these Costco haul maybe probably this year, by the end of this year, because you know Costco is releasing these Maisto during Christmas season. So let's see what they have for us, and I will surely share it to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please share it if you love it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next upcoming videos. Thank you so much guys. See you next time. Bye.